destroy the Amazon. Today, January 1st, is Inauguration Day for President Jair Bolsonaro. He said he plans to privatize the Amazon and open it up to animal agriculture, mining, and logging. Bolsonaro aims to begin building a highway through the rainforest, which would be its road to destruction. Fragmentation of the rainforest makes the rainforest vulnerable to general drying, fires, and resource extraction. Local environmentalists and indigenous peoples are resisting President Bolsonaro's plans. We are here to show solidarity with local activists in Brazil who are risking their lives to protect the lungs of the earth.
If the rainforest dies,
we will die.
If the Amazon dies,
we will die.
Stop building highways in the Amazon.
Stop Bolsonaro.
Stop mining in the Amazon.
Stop Bolsonaro.
Stop animal agriculture.
Go vegan.
So we're asking the President of Brazil to sign up and become a vegan for the month of January. We believe if he went vegan, he would not want to destroy the Amazon rainforest. Animal agriculture is one of the main reasons that the Amazon is being destroyed. The forests are being cut down to expand cow ranching and also to grow soy to feed to pigs in China and Europe. So all of us have a responsibility to stop eating meat, dairy, and eggs and to eat a vegan diet, because that will lead to the protection of the Amazon rainforest. There is a direct connection. The Amazon rainforest has been called the lungs of the planet. It produces 20% of the oxygen and it absorbs carbon out of the atmosphere, so it helps fight climate change. If the president of Brazil cuts down the rainforest, it could be a tipping point and it could destroy the world. We have the message of go vegan or we will die. I think once people learn the truth about how they can protect the Amazon, they will come on board. People are so passionate about the Amazon. The Amazon has 10 million species.
At a rate of species each and every single day. Take out people who've lived with this for 100,000 years. Inject 1 billion burgers worth of beef. Grain eaters, methane dispensers. But it's not their fault. People brought them there. They don't want to be there. They don't want to be eaten. Through thinning ozone, waste fall on wrinkled earth, gravity, light, ancient refuse of stars. They speak of drowning. But this is something other. Busy monster eats dark holes in the spirit world, where wild things have to go to disappear forever. Forever. If the tree falls in the forest, does anybody hear? Does anybody hear?
We ask the Brazilian President Bolsonaro, the world's governments, and the public 4 things. First, protect the Amazon from climate change and ban highways, animal agriculture, mining, and logging in the Amazon. Second, restore previous cleared lands and regenerate the Amazon. 3, offer protection and support to indigenous peoples and environmentalists. And finally, we ask everyone to sign up for Veganuary and go vegan for January and thereafter.
The kids need to be educated. The real education is about compassion, about justice, about what is happening to our environment. Take a stand. Do what you can. The earth, the animals, and the humans need you.
The tree falls in the forest. Does anybody hear? The tree falls in the forest. Does anybody hear?